Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I decided to come out here to the new construction bill. By the way, hello to all my new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, I want to say hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because y'all want to know when I actually put up videos, because I've been doing some shopping videos as well. And then go ahead and share these videos, like and comment. I love to see what your thoughts are and stuff like that. But I am on my way to the new build. I decided to come straight from work to see what it was like to make that drive, and it really wasn't bad at all. It was not really far from the house where we currently are living. So yeah. So that's why Earl isn't with me. He's still at work, and I said, let me see if I can come out here and do this for you guys. I hope there's some changes. I hope there's some updates. We will only know if we come out here. The last time we were out here was Saturday. Today is Thursday. So it's been, a little time. We usually, when things were going, we were coming out here at least, I think at least 3 times a week. So I wanted to run out here and just see if I can do a quick update. I hope. So let's cross our fingers and see what's going on. Oh, we got some new residents or something. There's a lot of busyness going on right here. I can't even get to the house. There's some traffic. I don't know if they're gonna move or not. Oh, they're loading up some cement and stuff. So I'm just gonna hang out here for a while and see how long it will take them to load up the cement. Oh my gosh, guys, we have an actual driveway. Oh my God. The driveway up close. Isn't this cool? And then you can see they're getting ready to finish up with the sidewalk over here. And then we actually have a whole sidewalk over there. So this is kind of cool because we get to see, I guess, the size of what our yard is going to be like too.
And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love. You take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth.
what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We can take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do, don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need.
Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.